Good day, viewers. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you are a returning subscriber, I thank you so much. But if you are new on this channel, please don't hesitate to quickly hit the like and the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to be teaching you how to create a Facebook page. I mean, a standard Facebook page that can help you get monetized as quick as you can. So please, I am urging you to stay tuned to watch this video from the beginning down to the end of it. So without further ado, let's dive into the video tutorial. Thank you.
So now guys, we are in my phone screen now. What we need to do is that to quickly create a Facebook page is not hard, it's not difficult. What you need to do is to quickly log in into your Facebook account. So let us log into our Facebook now. Good. Immediately you get here, the next thing you have to do is you click on this three dots up here. Hope you can see it. Tap on it. When you tap on it, you look for pages, and these pages. You can see pages. Then you tap on it. Good. You can see all the page that I have under my profile here. You can see it, but this is the two. I'm using these two only. These are my what? This one is the main page that I am using now. You understand? And I just started using the second one too, which is this one. So guys, you can also help me to follow these two pages. But even if you can't follow the second one, please follow the Obonkata TV. Please, I need it. Please, for God's sake, help me follow. Good. So when you are here, you can see this particular button up here that says create. This one. Good. You quickly click on it. It's not difficult. Tap on it. This is how to create a standard Facebook page. Then you can see get started. This get started. You click on get started. Then what do you want to name this page? Take for instance, I want to name the page Obonkata, Obonkata, Obonkata. Okay, Obonkata house, for instance. So good. You click on next. Then you will now have to what? Choose the category you want this your page to belongs to. I want it to be personal blog. So you click on the personal blog. Then click next. When you click next, let's hold on. Network. Network is slow. Network is fast. I don't want this video to be long. So let's hold on for the network. Good. Do you have website for Obonkada House? No, I don't have website now. So you can just click next. You understand? Or skip up here. Later you can still come and what? Edit it whenever you have website for the page. You can add it later. So I don't have website. What I need to do now is I'll just click on what? I'll just click on next. You can see our page is here, Bonkata House. This is our page now. So the next thing you need to do is you can click here to quickly add your what? Your photo. That's if you already have photo for your Bonkata House. You can add photo there, click on that plus sign. Hope you are getting it. Good. But if you're not without photo for it now, you can customize photo later and upload. Then we click done. You can see this is our page. This is our page. So all these pages you see on social media that you normally follow, watch their content. This is how they created it, and this is how they started it. So guys, if you find any value in this video, please don't hesitate to help me subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share this video. You can also follow me on Facebook. My Facebook page name is Obonkata TV. Those of you watching this video on Facebook now, you can follow me on YouTube. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube and just go to YouTube. Please search for Obonkata TV. I am the only Obonkata TV there. Thanks for watching. God bless.